Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a PayPal account in Kyrgyzstan. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the official PayPal website. Click on the Sign Up button, typically found in the top right corner of the home page. You will then select Personal Account to begin, as this is suitable for individual users. This initial step is quite straightforward, setting the foundation for your new online wallet. Next, you will provide essential personal details like your full name, a valid email address, and create a robust, unique password. PayPal prioritizes security, so consider enabling two-factor authentication right away for added protection. After inputting these details, an email will be sent to confirm your address, which you must click to verify. This confirmation link is crucial for activating your account fully and proceeding to the next stage of setup. With your account confirmed, the next vital step is linking a financial instrument. You can connect a debit or credit card or even a local bank account to your PayPal profile. Carefully enter the card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code. For bank accounts, you will input your bank name and account number. PayPal may make 2 small deposits, often less than $1 each, to verify your bank account, which you then confirm online. This linking process allows you to send and receive funds seamlessly. Now that your PayPal account is active and linked, you can begin sending and receiving money internationally. Remember to always double-check recipient details before sending any funds to avoid errors. Familiarize yourself with PayPal's user agreement and any transaction fees that might apply to international transfers. Many online retailers and services accept PayPal, offering a convenient and secure payment method. Enjoy the ease and security your new digital wallet provides for your financial activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.